Today, we address a common predicament that many encounter: the challenge of recalling a Wi-Fi password. Fear not, as we present 3 sophisticated methods to recover your misplaced Wi-Fi credentials. This becomes especially pertinent when your computer, be it a laptop or PC, was previously linked to a Wi-Fi network, and you now seek to connect a new device without the luxury of remembering the password. It's imperative to note that this tutorial exclusively pertains to retrieving saved Wi-Fi passwords within your Windows Wi-Fi network profile. Let us delve into the intricacies of these methods. We previously disseminated a tutorial 9 years ago elucidating the retrieval of Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 8. However, that tutorial was confined to the graphical user interface of Windows. Our initial method involves the utilization of the command prompt, applicable across various Windows versions. You may either press Windows+R to initiate the run command, type CMD and press Ctrl+Shift+Center to open the command prompt in administrator mode. Alternatively, access the Start menu, type CMD and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Another avenue is to right-click the Start menu, opening the Windows Terminal Admin. Within the command prompt or Windows Terminal window, input the following command: netsh wlan show profiles. This command unveils a comprehensive list of saved Wi-Fi network profiles on your system. Peruse the list and note the profile name for the network whose password you seek. The subsequent command is tailored to display specific Wi-Fi network information. Execute netsh wlan show profiles name equals your Wi-Fi network, key equals clear. Replace your Wi-Fi network with the actual name of the target Wi-Fi network, encapsulating the name in quotation marks if it contains spaces. Our second method involves the conventional Windows graphical user interface way. You can access this by pressing Start+I to reveal the settings window. Navigate to Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings. More network adapter options. Alternatively, open the Network Connections window via Start+R, inputting ncpa.cpl, or using the Windows search with the query ncpa corporal. Double-click the Wi-Fi network of interest. Click the Wireless Properties button, and under the Security tab, check Show Characters to unveil the saved password. The third method may, in certain instances, prove the most efficacious for recovery, or failing that, changing the Wi-Fi password. This entails accessing the Wi-Fi router configurations, requiring knowledge of the router's login credentials, typically found on the router's rear. For illustration, my internet service provider grants access to the Wi-Fi router configuration via 192.168.1.1. with default login credentials set as admin in lowercase. Bear in mind that these details are illustrative, as router models may differ in configurations. In the case of the Huawei HG8145V model router and others, one can navigate to the WLAN configuration page to view or modify saved Wi-Fi passwords. The capability to view old passwords may vary among routers. Some allow this, while others, like mine, only permit password changes without displaying the old password. In my case, I can configure passwords for both 4G and 5G Wi-Fi networks. After altering the password, it is imperative to reboot the Wi-Fi router and reconnect all devices. We trust you will find this tutorial both valuable and enlightening. Share your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing. Our sincere thanks extend to the Patreon community for their ongoing contributions. Thank you for your viewership. Farewell and take care.